you are wondering why my hair looks like this, it's because I am doing the 2-week check-in for my hair growth, because I did a video a couple of weeks ago and told you guys what I was using for hair growth. We did some measurements. So today we are going to do the 2-week check-in and see if we've had any growth over the 2 weeks. So I know I measured a piece up here, then I did one from kind of back here, and then I did one from the bottom. So we're going to get our little measurer here, which is the same measuring stick, whatever you want to call this. It's literally from my Cricut machine. But we're gonna do this and see if we've had any growth over the 2 weeks. So this starts, actually let me pull. All right, so the top piece, this piece right here, if you guys can see, is just a little bit over the 9. And then I'll pop up down here on the screen what it was 2 weeks ago. And then we pulled one from back here, I believe. So just put that up to my head. So right here, we're at just a little bit over 8 inches. A little bit over 8. And then I'm going to take a hair tie and just kind of tie this up. Or I'll just use my clip here. And see what we're at back here. I do want to tell you, I did have to dye my roots because they popped up pretty quickly. And personally, I feel like I've noticed some growth in my hair, so. All right, and then right here, we are a little bit past 8 inches. So overall, I do feel like my hair is super healthy. Last week is when I noticed it. I could not stop touching it. I was telling my husband, telling my friend Melissa, I told my friend Jess, I'm like, hey, my hair is long. I feel like it's grown a bunch. So that's what I'm doing. I'm still taking the vitamins, still using the same shampoo, split and mender, and everything I mentioned to you guys in the last video. I will again link everything below in the description box so that you can check them out if you want. Then again, in 2 weeks, we will do the final check-in to see how much our hair has grown in 1 month. So that is it for today's video. I know it is short and sweet and to the point, but I did promise you guys a 2-week check-in, so that's what I wanted to do. I love you guys. Be nice to one another. Do something kind for someone else, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye!